Hey everyone, welcome back to Precast Chalk Talk. My name's Hagen, and you'll recall we're on site at the Veridian, which is a mixed-use residential commercial project, and we have a 10-story apartment structure as well as a parking deck that's attached that has been encased in our architectural cladding panels. So we're going to do a little deep dive into how the spandrel panels are connected to the cast-in-place superstructure. So I want to get on the back side here of the panels so we can show you how these spandrel panels are connected to the superstructure. And it's done in a number of different ways. But this piece here, if you will, it runs from this is a column cover or a spandrel panel that runs full length. You saw that. This spandrel, this horizontal spandrel, runs all the way down to this plate down here. So right below us is where the cars come in and out of the garage. This is a piece here that's on top of the spandrel, the horizontal spandrel. This is another spandrel piece, a vertical one. You can see the connection details. Plate cast in to this vertical spandrel, a plate cast into this horizontal spandrel, and then this patch plate and welding being done on either side. Down below, this spandrel panels, this horizontal panel has tubes sticking out of it. This tube is cast in integral to the spandrel panel, this horizontal spandrel panel, and it rests and is supported and is bearing to the floor plate. There's a plate that's cast into the cast-in-place floor. There are patch plates on either side, so there's welding going on with these patch plates on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those tubes. It's a pretty beefy connection because this piece is carrying, it's carrying this load as well as it's just hanging in the air. And if not for these tubes on the back side, it'd want to tip forward. It's also connected here between the panel, this horizontal spandrel panel and the vertical spandrel panel via these plates. It's a welded plate here, also patched in. And then we have these other connected welding going on to the floor plate that's cast into the floor system, as well as then there's a patch plate here that goes into these inserts. These inserts are cast in at the plant. And engineers are designing all these based on the design and load for the building. And then you can see the same kind of slotted connection with this patch plate here. Column cast in place, plate cast into the column, patch plate welded and then screwed into a notch, a slotted connection in our spandrel panel. So occasionally we're going to have a panel sitting on top of another panel, and you can see here's that welded connection, cast in plate, patch plate, weld. Also, it's important to recognize, we have to put shims in here to make sure we get this panel level with this panel. So the guys will put the shims in before they set this panel down on top, and then they'll do final connections. Thanks everyone for tuning in. How cool is this project? I mean, look at the size of this thing. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned. Till next time, peace.